never draining, and I never pass all this aching, because this hurt just feels like home to me. And I guess you're gone, and I guess I faltered. You asked who lost, and I guess I answered. Flashing colors that say Valentine, but stick your tears for when you're mine. I must confess when it's time, and I must confess that I wasn't fine. Hell won't stop even when you get your answers. Cause call it flame, call it virtue, say my name and I'll be here soon. I'll just keep sitting here and keep draining your wine. Cause if two must die to make it matter, then I think we can cut the banter. Pouring blood into the planter, cause I asked and you answered. Cause none of this will ever matter, what I write or what I'm after, because the bustle and was for life and love doesn't fill up so actionable to me. So we tried, it's right enough to flame that she were what was honest to chase, so she cried. She cried enough to flame that he were what was his, so take. And come look at what he done, come look at what he put death marked on a list with all the numbers between 0 and 1. And just look who came to see a born again, a brand new me. I must confess when it's time, and I must confess that you aren't far behind. But the hourglass is always flowing. In 15 years I'm sure I'll be fine, if you can promise me the same. But I hope it doesn't go both ways, cause I cannot retain nor drain. When it's time, and I must confess that you aren't far behind. But the hourglass is always flowing. In 15 years I'm sure I'll be fine, if you can promise me the same. But I hope it doesn't go both ways, cause I can't